Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I'm also a mechanical engineer, so I will go for. I have 3 research areas since joining Fresno State. My background is in solar energy. The solar cells I made using good old electrochemistry. So I found another extension to my research, which is recycling, which is extracting the elements in our water here. I did with Professor Mizuno project funded by the city of Fresno. We found out so many tons of salts are getting accumulated. So extension of my solar energy solar cells project is which is applicable to agricultural research. Even the solar energy is also applicable. Is the extracting all these diluted, essentially the metals and salts, and it is the electrocoagulation and electrochemistry. So basically we can turn this trash or proportion of this trash into somebody's resource. That is my extension of my research into there are several research directions I have taken. First one, of course, my primary research, which is making solar cells, thin film solar cells with electrochemistry. So I have collaborators in chemistry department. I snatched their best students. So thank you. Continue to provide more. Hopefully I will attract more physics students also for this. Then completes my research team. Then another extension we have gone after studying the local requirements. My first research was cadmium-based solar cells, which is cadmium is toxic, but cadmium sulfide is a material which will not break down unless it is exposed to 700 centigrades. That was fine, but we are not a traditional research institute, so another change took place over the last summer when we had a benign chemical spillage in a lab, nearby lab. So, okay, no more cadmium. We found another solar cell direction, which is from earth abundant materials and non-toxic materials. So that has generated a lot of interest among my collaborators. So recycling, then this recycling technique can be extended to, first it started with my interest towards recycling solar cells or e-waste. But now we are extending that one to extract certain elements which are diluted in water. The city of Fresno project, we found that there are 60 different compounds in this Fresno municipal water. So we are confident at least all the metals can be extracted as not collectively, then which is we are generating more trash. Interest is electrochemistry works at a unique way. It only absorbs elements at one particular voltage. So we are really separating this. It's a new area in a sense. I was only interested originally to deposit semiconductors at that particular voltage. Now we need to find out those conditions, under what conditions we can extract these elements and turn them into resources. Of course, currently, initial research shows that energy cost is high, but if we can produce one by one, we will hit a level it becomes economical, rather than collecting more trash. Then we recently submitted for a grant with Dr. Seth Balaji for a hybrid tractor project also. So we'll see next month whether that is for farming conditions. The tractor is for 100 horsepower, which is supposed to be the most 15,000 tractors of this range is sold in California alone. So we have an industrial partner. They have put the 25% matching funding, promise to put the. So I am open for research partners, especially we have Dr. Joy is not here. He's one of our electrochemistry partners. Thank you very much.